Are you looking for a website that gives you an information for additional content of your lesson? Today, I'm going to show you on how to get a copy, a PDF file for additional content of your lesson. Maybe you're wondering why I'm speaking English. I'm just trying to broaden my audience, okay? Not just only for Filipinos, but of course, to all the peoples around the world. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell in order for you to be notified. I know sometimes you are having a hard time to find or search a topic about our lesson. I'll show you step by step on how to do it. And then shout out to all new moderators of DepEd Open Educational Resources. May the power of social media be upon you. Now you know the mission. Let's start.
Okay, magbukas po tayo ng window. Okay, in the search box, type natin ang title. Type the topic that we are looking. For the example, I'm going to use the topic will be subject-verb agreement. If you noticed, I put a slideshare no word. It's because there are lots of information that we can get from slideshare. It's specifically stated. Okay. Hit natin itong enter. Okay. Or simply hit this lens, yung may maliit dyan na icon. Okay, click this link. So notice the link is www.slideshare.net. Okay, this is the right one. And then this is the official website of SlideShare. So be familiar with the of SlideShare. So ito na, rules on subject-verb agreement. This is the presentation of the lesson, okay, or the topic that we search. And then may button dito na download. If it's enabled, then you can download directly, but if it's disabled, don't worry, I'm going to show it to you and how to do it. Okay, but before you can download directly, you must log in, or you must be a registered user. Okay, so it takes time for you to do it. So now, even you are not registered, I'm going to show you on how to download it. All you have to do is, of course, highlight the link by pressing Ctrl A in the keyboard, and then press Ctrl C to copy, or simply highlight. Okay, highlight, then right click and choose copy. So those are the command or the shortcuts on how to copy and paste. Okay, open another window. Okay, so type simply debris.com. So click this link. Simply Debris is a website that we can use to generate links so that we can download. So simply debris.com po. So this is the official website, and then this part, click and then paste. Okay, paste and then click generate links, and then hit that button. If it's yellow, meaning they're done loading, and then it turns green, so meaning it's done, and there's a title in it. Okay, so all you have to do, of course, to click to start downloading. Okay, notice it's downloading now. Makikita natin sa button. Or if you are using a cell phone, you can of course same. You can be able to see the progress of your download. Okay, it's done. Let me click open. Here it is. Okay, subject verb agreement. So if you noticed, okay, we download copy. This would be the presentation that you can use in your lesson. So see, it's pretty easy. So I hope you follow the simple steps and how to do it, and then we can be able to copy or to see on the download folder of our computer or our device. Once again, let's try. Okay, so it's done successfully. Thank you.
Okay, shout out to PCI Hub for the sponsor giving me the augmented reality worksheets, which my kids were really enjoying answering activities in it. Okay.
Said, let's bring worksheets to life with AR. First, what is AR? AR stands for Augmented Reality. It is an interactive experience where computer-generated objects and sounds can blend in with our real-world environment. Just imagine fairy tale monsters and even get up close atomically. Now, why use AR for learning? Here at PCI Hub, we want you to have fun while learning. Using AR, not only can you view models and illustrations out from your worksheets, but you can also listen to stories, do lab experiments, and even math problems. With a single focus on our QR codes and a single tap on your device, AR can bring you things that schools normally can't do. All on your mobile device, all in AR. 4 shirts, 3 skirts, pencils, left pencils, left snails, block, blocks, 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 blocks.
So thank you very much, and for more details, see the link below my description.